Welcome back to the video. It's your boy Gio, and today, wow, I haven't said that in mad long. I'm going to be giving you guys another tutorial on how to make beats on FL Studio. First thing, right, we're going to pick a stock plugin. I personally prefer GMS. I'm going to use a lead from GMS. Pick anything. Alright, so I ended up going with this sound right here. It's a lead. Okay, I like that. So I added a slide, basically, and this just makes it like sound like, I don't know how to describe it. And what I do to make it really quick for me to like just copy and paste, I hold Control B and I can move it wherever I want to move it. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty repetitive. Alright, so I feel like this sounds really good, like it has a lot of potential, so I'm gonna leave this sound. Now, this is very, very important. I like to layer, just have slight changes in when you layer it, so it just comes together. Like, you're gonna see what I'm talking about. Picking this sound right here, copy, right here, paste it. I'm Control A, arpeggiate. And you Control L, connect. So that sounds pretty good. Alright, so I ended up staying with this little pad right here. I stayed with GMS just to find some that would go with what I got already. So let me see. I'm gonna speed up my BPM just to make it sound a little bit better. I want it to be a little quicker. Another trick, hold Control on all your instruments. It's a very, very important trick you could do. And then click on this arrow. And then you see transpose. You could put it up or you could put it down. That sounds completely different and it still sounds fire. And what it's doing is putting all of the notes down, 3 semitones, and this is basically what we got. Now I'm gonna click plus. I'm gonna name this drums. So now we're gonna work on our drums. Drop this down. If you want, you can put it 5 bars or 9 bars. I'm gonna start off with the hi-hats. So I'm gonna pick this. Let's see. So these are the hi-hats I'm gonna keep. You could put like it down a note or like make it longer, like whatever you want. Boom. And then right here, I always do this. Select all your hi-hats. Select. And then you could go to randomize. And then there's a randomizer. You could choose your levels. You could change pan and velocity. I always change my pan and velocity. So. And what I also like to do, just to make sure everything balances out, like it sounds cool, go to scale levels, and you can multiply or not multiply. I'm gonna put this right here, and you can center it, offset it, anything you want to do, bro. FL Studio is your playground, bro. You can do whatever you want with it. So we had the hi-hats, and now since we have the hi-hats, we can add our snare. Right, so that's the snare. Now I want like a counter snare with it. That's perfect right there. Got the snare, Control B, everything's aligned, and boom, we got the snare and a counter snare. Now, if this is your choice, you can add percussions, which are like smaller sounds that you could just keep in the back. You can choose to do that or you can choose not to. I'm gonna do that, but I'm gonna just skip through because I feel like this part isn't that important. You're just placing like one tap snaps, right? I got the percussion. I'm gonna add this in my next video. I'm gonna be showing you guys how to arrange beats, so stay tuned for that for sure. So now we're gonna go to 808. This is very, very important. I'm gonna show you guys what exactly you need to do for your 808. So once you find your 808, it's like a very like large 808. See right here, like that's pretty big. We're gonna go to envelope and make this into a box. Once you make this box, is you go right here, click on cut cell. These are the 2 most important parts. Now the other parts, you can make the volume go high, multiply the volume. So that's like really, really high. That's really, really high, and you can boost. which is not necessary as this 808's really, really big, but those are just some other things. So we're gonna go right here to 808, and this is very, very important what I'm about to tell y'all. Make sure that your 808 is your root note. Your root note is the bottom note of your melody. So copy this and bring it right here. So you could chop this up and do whatever you want with it. What I like to do when I make my 808s is that I put it on a very high octave. When you put it on a high octave, you can hear it better and just makes it easier for you to like imagine what you want your 808s to sound like. So this is what the 808 sounds with everything pitched. Now I'm about to make everything back. So I'm gonna put that up right there. Let's see what it sounds like. So that's the drums, that's the melody. Sounding pretty good. So right here, we split the melody. I'm gonna just let y'all listen to it real quick. It's the melody, right? And now we're gonna bring in the drums right here. The melody. Got the drums. Now what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna arrange this really quickly. The beat's done. All right, so the beat is complete. I finished everything. This is all stock plugins. Subscribe, also join my Discord community, and yeah guys, hope you have a good day. God bless.